Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to download or install iOS 17 in your iPhone, iPad or Apple devices. Okay guys, so first of all you have to download an app which name is Developer. If you want to download iOS 17, tap on that. Now let me tell you that here you have to put your password and you can easily get new version of Apple. Okay guys, and here is the another way. If you don't want to do that, just simply have to open Safari browser, and from here you have to search for beta profiles.tab. Now just simply have to tap on that. Now scroll it down all the way. Now let me tell you that the iOS 70 will be released on 5 June 10 p.m. So guys, after that you can see iOS 17 and just simply have to tap on install profile and tap on install again. If you want to install it, tap on allow, tap on close. Now wait some second. Now from here you have to tap on settings again. Now from here you have to tap on profile downloaded. Because your profile will be downloaded, tap on install. Now here you have to put the passcode of your device, tap on install again. Now tap on install again. Now tap on not, now tap on turn. Now after that guys, you have to open settings again and just simply tap on channel, go to software update, and you can easily see iOS 17, and you can also see here install and download, tap on that. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.